If you're a sneakerhead and you travel absolutely anywhere, I'm telling you, you need this. YouTube, SK Nation, SteffKicks family. It's your boy, it's your guy, it's your homie SteffKicks, and I'm back at it with another video. You good? What's up? Today's video is all about how we take care of our sneakers. We're going to change pace a little bit and we're going to talk about a product that was sent out to me by a company called The Shrine. But before we do that, you guys know we got to take care of business. If you're a returning viewer, I salute you. Thank you for coming back. If this is your first time here, when you join the SK Nation, you get the latest information on the hottest drops every month. You get mall vlogs, SneakerCon vlogs, reviews, and unboxings. If that's something you're interested in, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel down low. Now let's go. So I've already pre-opened the box. Let's get right into the unboxing. It's a pretty big box. Nice. Place it down. The bag comes in a nice packaging. Wow. Woo. Very nice. So there's the bag there. Looks like it's got a little tag on there that says The Shrine Premium Travel Goods. So let's get into some details of the bag. Alright guys, so I forgot to mention that the name of this bag is the Shrine Weekender. It unzips from one end all the way around to the other for easy access. You have the display of the convenience to stack your hats. As I mentioned, about 5 to 6 hats on the top here. And once you want to take them off, you undo the tags there. It comes off and out just like that. Then you also have a small little pocket here for a cell phone. It has a Velcro attachment in here for locking in whatever you put in there. If it's something smaller than a cell phone, you can use that Velcro attachment there. Then to open the bag, now I've already pre-packed the bag. As you can see, we have 2 pairs of sneakers nicely strapped in here. They strap in through this attachment here that goes through the Shrine tag loop. Once you attach that, you get that little click. They're nice, locked in and secure. The other section here is a beautiful compartment for versatility. And once you unzip it open, you have a whole bunch of compartments here for whatever you need. These pockets are all the way through, deep right throughout, for maybe some snacks, some laces for if you're going to swap your laces for your sneakers. And then up top here, another one that unzips for maybe your AirPod cases. Store those away and keep those safe. Then you have your area for your clothes, things of that nature. Anything that you'd like to pack there. Small little pockets here for smaller things, smaller items, anything that you might need. Overall, it's a very, very versatile bag. You can do all the things that you need with a bag like this. If you're trying to go camping or you're trying to travel to another city for SneakerCon or whatever the case may be, you need the Shrine Weekender. So I just wanted to show you guys what the bag looks like when it's being worn. Now just thinking about the materials in itself, premium materials, really well stitched and put together nicely. You have your straps here on the side. Both straps are nicely combined on the shoulder for easy comfortability. I don't have to really use much of my back or my body to hold the bag up. It hugs pretty well once I use the premium straps to strap in and attach it nicely to my body to my liking. And we know that we want to look good while wearing the bag, so it has a very stylish look to it. As you've seen in the preview, easily accessible. Even with the tag on the back, you can attach different tags to it. You can put stickers on it, things of that nature to give it that personalized feeling. There's many different things that can be done with a bag like this. Big shout out to Shrine for coming up with the idea. Now let's get back to the video. SK Nation, SteffKicks family, YouTube. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today and reviewing the Shrine Weekender bag with me. Really had fun today dissecting the versatility, the comfortability, and everything else that goes with a bag like this while I travel. Please make sure that you guys go check out the Shrine on IG, as well as check out their website, browse through a little bit, take a look at all the products, and purchase something that you think can help you while you travel and help you take care of your gear and your sneakers and everything else that goes along with it. But before we go, let's give some love and some shout outs to some of the SK Nation family. Straight out of the UK, a member of the Crepes on Crepes family, I want to give a shout out to my guy, Box Fresh Forever, a big supporter of the channel and the IG page. He does a lot of IG live content and keeps us up to date about what's going on in the UK and the sneaker community out there. So go follow him and tell him your boy sent you. Box Fresh, I salute you, bro. Lastly, I want to shout out a Toronto artist, a good friend of mine, SVN. Believe me when I tell you guys he's on the come up. He's got some good music out there. Check him out on Apple Music, and I believe he's on Spotify. Go follow him on IG. Show him some love. He's a big supporter of the SK Nation, and we just want to send some love back. SVN, salute, bro. Once again, guys, thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Please make sure that you hit the like button. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel as well. It helps the channel grow. Thank you so much for watching today's video and everything that you do to support the channel, as well as on IG. Make sure you follow me there and on Twitter. That way you keep up to date on what I'm doing and you get to find out early all the videos that are coming out. We are almost at the goal of 4,000 subscribers. Please share this video, pass it on. Tell your friends to subscribe and watch the videos. It goes a long way for a small channel like this one. I know I've also told you guys that we're going to try to expand the channel with respect to sneaker content reactions, as well as monthly and weekly releases. I assure you guys all of that content is coming. Pause. So just look out for it. Just trying to make sure that everything is in line. So with all that said, I'm gonna get up out of here. It's your boy SteffKicks, and as we always say, shoe love is true love, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Yeah. Baby girl, you got me feeling some type of way.